If you want to sync LinkedIn with Calendly, the first thing you should know is that there is no direct integration between the two. But the good news is, you can still connect them in a simple, effective way by adding your Calendly booking link to your LinkedIn profile. That way, anyone who visits your profile can book time with you in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also share a few quick tips to make the process smoother. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside Calendly, look for the Event Types section. This is where all of your meeting links live, whether you have a one-on-one meeting, discovery call, or any other scheduling option. Click on the event type you want people to book from your LinkedIn profile. When that event opens, you'll see an option to copy the link. Click Copy Link to grab your Calendly booking URL. Make sure you're copying the correct event type, especially if you have multiple booking pages set up. Now that you have your link, open LinkedIn and sign into your account. From the LinkedIn homepage, go to your profile and choose View Profile. This is where you can add important contact details and profile links that visitors can see. Once you're on your profile, click Edit Contact Info. Depending on your account setup, you may also see an option called Add a Website. Either one can work, but the goal is the same. You want to place your Calendly link somewhere visible and easy to access. Next, paste your Calendly booking link into the website field. You can usually label it with something clear, like book a meeting, schedule a call, or Calendly. If LinkedIn gives you a choice of website type, choose the option that best matches your use case. This helps make your profile look more professional and makes it easier for people to understand what the link is for. After that, save your changes. Once your profile is updated, your LinkedIn visitors can click the link and go straight to your Calendly booking page. That's really all it takes to sync LinkedIn with Calendly in a practical way. Even though there isn't a direct app integration, this method works extremely well for networking, lead generation, recruiting, sales, and client booking. If you want to make the most of it, use a clear headline and a strong profile summary so people understand why they should book with you. You can also test the link afterward to make sure it opens correctly on both desktop and mobile. And if you ever update your Calendly event type, don't forget to come back and replace the link on LinkedIn so everything stays current. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out more tutorials on making your workflow easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.